$236 on the account, $398 on the account. So it's done. We have $902. Once again in profit, we have $1,270 on the account. Now the price is staying on the downgoing trend line. According to the Parabolic SAR, we are in the buy zone right now, and according to the demarker, we have enough space for the current growth. So that's why I think let me try to open buy position, investing our whole deposit in this trade. Our initial deposit for today is just $75, and we are investing the whole amount of money right now into this trade. So that's it. Let me see what will we get from it. I'm sure that everything will be fine as always. So the first trade is close to its profit, and we have $144 on the account. This looks really nice. Now let's proceed further. Okay, let me open Audi CHF. According to this chart, price is dropping right now significantly. We have broken through the upgoing trend line. Now currently price is staying on the strong support line zone. I have switched our investment to $100, and we have opened buy position here because, as you can see, price is showing us a very strong pullback reaction from the support line zone. So that's why I'm almost sure that we will continue growing right now. That's why I have invested this money into the buy order. That's it. Okay, it's down. We have $236 on the account. Let's proceed further. Let me open EuroRAP. Okay, let me switch our investment to $180. And let me open buy position, please. Well, so according to this trade, what do we have interesting? First of all, according to the Parabolic SAR indicator, we are currently in the buy zone. According to the demarker oscillator, we still have enough space for the continuation of the current growth. And if we're speaking about the counter channel indicator, price is staying right now on the middle line of the counter channel. We were trying to break through it, but unfortunately for the sellers, we failed to do this, and now we are receiving a very nice pullback reaction. Sellers are not ready to break through the middle line of the counter channel, so that's why, according to the master bounce strategy, we are highly likely to start growing right now from this point. That's why we have opened buy position here, investing our $180 in this trade. Almost done. Okay, so we have $398 on the account right now. This looks really good. This looks really nice. Let me check out the CAD. Well, according to this chart, right now we are staying on the strong support line zone. Sellers are not ready to break through it. According to the Parabolic SAR, we're in the sell zone. According to the demarker, we still have some space for the current drop. Now price is, we have made the new local low. Let's open immediately sell position because price has right now broken through the support line zone. We have gathered the stop losses of the buyers, and for us this is additional fuel for the continuation of the current drop for our submarine. So that's why let's see what will we get from this trade. And while we are waiting for this, my friends, don't forget to open description to this video and subscribe to my private TG, in which you will get access to the best trading signals, analytics and educational materials that will help you to become professional and experienced trader. And moreover, if you write me a private message and tell me, Michael, I want to become VIP, I will automatically add you to my private VIP channel, where you will get access to the same kind of online trading sessions, and you will be able to start trading and earning together with me online each day. So don't waste your time. If you wanna trade daily, have an opportunity to get your cash daily, write me a message right now in the Telegram, subscribe to my private TG, link in the description. Okay, guys, while I was talking, we have closed this trade with profit, and now we have $618 on the account, and we are ready to move forward. So that's why please give me several minutes to analyze the market and find the best currency pair for the continuation of our today's trading session. According to the CAD CHF, we are now in the buy zone, according to the Parabolic SAR indicator and the market oscillator. Price is going to break through the middle line of the counter channel. So let's don't waste our time. We have already opened buy position, investing our $350 in this trade. So it's done. Let us just wait for the end of the time period and we will see the result of this trade. I'm sure that everything will be really fine. So it's done, we have $902, and still we have some more time for one more trade for today. So that's why let's do it. Let's find the currency pair for this. I'm sure I can do this. Let me open BHD CNI, or better Euro up. Okay, so here we have a very strong downgoing movement. As we can see, price is trying to be stopped by the support line zone. Let me switch our investment to $400. And let's anyway try to open sell position, because as you can see, buyers are not so strong right now to start growing. They just want to drop. Price just wants to go down. That's why I'm just waiting right now to make the new local low, and we have already done this. So that's why we have received a very strong confirmation that price is going to go down. Yep, everything is very nice. Let us just wait for the end of the time period. As you see, our time period for today's trading session is just 1 minute for each trade. It's very short. So that's why now we're just waiting for the end of it, and we will see the result of this trade. Just several seconds left. Yep, so it's closed. Once again in profit, we have $1,270 on the account. If you remember at the beginning, we had just $75 and we have turned them into $1,270. Thanks to my knowledge and experience. So that's why, my friends, if you want to have the same results as me, it's possible. All you need is just to learn how to trade, and I can help you with this in my private Telegram channel, link for which you can find in the description. So my friends, see you all, wait you all share, kiss you all, and bye-bye.